Hey, what's up, everybody? Timbo Biggins here. Just wanted to shoot a quick drone video today to do a wind test. This is only the second time I've flown this drone, the HOLYSTONE HS720E. The wind was gusting consistently about 30 miles per hour. I took it up to about 150 feet, and it did pretty good. It was pretty stable. I think a couple of times when it looked like it was moving around up there, it was actually my fault. That's when I was accidentally hitting the yaw on it. So yawing it back and forth, like right there. That wasn't the drone's fault, that was me. So anyway, just wanted to shoot a quick video, give it a test in the high wind, like I say, 30, 32 miles per hour. That's quite a bit for that little drone. So anyway, I appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Appreciate everybody tuning in today. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. My next, like I say, this is only my second flight with this drone. My next flight video is going to be with better weather conditions, and I'm going to do a longer flight. So I'm still learning. But anyway, I appreciate everybody. Hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.